Hi, Michael. Thank you so much for submitting your poem this week. Um, Nothing gold can stay. You totally understood this week's assignments and prompt. And do you need to include more information is your second question. I don't think so. I can tell you when I get a question like this from a student, what I like to do is just sort of reflect back to you what it is that I'm taking away from this poem in the hopes that that gives you a sense of if you included the right amount of information or not enough or too much. So this is clearly to me um, a, a poem that is post breakup, right? Where things were beautiful in the relationship, where the speaker wanted to stay in the relationship, and Amber wanted to leave the relationship. That's what I'm taking away from it. So if it feels like that was the information you were trying to communicate, then I think it's just enough. I have to say I'm really I think the form of this that you chose, Michael, and how parallel each of the stanzas are to one another really is working. I love the repetition at the beginning of each stanza, and that you have three lines with commas, a period, three lines with commas, a period, three lines with commas, a period. Um, I think the what functions so well for me with this form is that by the time you get to the end and you are speaking about things more in concept, right? So conceptually speaking about these things, and then at the very end, address someone. It's like an exclamation point at the end of your poem. It makes it really powerful. So all that to say, excellent work this week, and I look forward to reading more of your work. Thank you.